Hi, today I'm with me Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's open the notification button shortcuts, and now just if you wanna launch the screen recorder uh, settings, just you should hold for a while this icon, and just here to change the sound settings we should use the swatcher. So now we'll record only the mute video. If you wanna use the device audio, just click here to this swatcher and click to device audio, so you'll use all of the music, the medias on your device. If you wanna use the microphone, for example, to to command something, click here to the microphone. Also, we can use the device and microphone together. Just to mute your videos, you should turn off the switcher, and then just to start recording, you should click here to start button, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.